So, hello English learners, hope you all are fine and you are doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today we are going to talk about the importance of communication. Yes. So, the importance of communication is skill. On this topic, we are going to talk today. We are going to know what is the importance of communication skill, what is the definition, what are the examples, and what are the benefits we are going to get from it. So, what we are doing on a daily basis, we just got one topic and we are speaking about that topic. So I have created one dedicated playlist for these like extempore topics. So if you are someone who wants to improve your spoken English and you are not getting enough topics, so just come and just visit my playlist. You will get lots of topics, so you can just practice on a daily basis. Okay. So let's start. The importance of communication skill. So what do you understand by communication? What do you understand? So communication simply means like how you are going to talk with someone, how you are going to transfer the message with someone. This is called communication. Communication means like there are two persons, you are going to say your message to another person and he is going to listen. This is called communication. And there are maybe lots of channels to communicate. Like first channel is speaking. Like you can communicate with the person, he is sitting in front of you and you are expressing yourself. You are telling your problem to the other person and he is listening. This is the one way of communication. And the second way, you can type, like we mail someone. So you are typing your problem or anything to the another person. This is also one of the communication channel. So communication means like you are transferring the information to the other person. It may be by your voice, it may be in written, it may be verbal communication, written communication, and body language. Yes, so you can communicate in body language. Your body also communicate itself. You're not able to see, like most of the people are thinking like if someone is going to communicate with someone, so he should just express himself. But if I will tell you, like if you are going to communicate with anyone, you're going to speak your words, so the words only matter 7%. Have you imagined? And if you are going to transfer the message, so your tone, your voice, your vocal languages matters 38%, 38 or 37%. And your body language, which is most of the people like neglected, it is going to just put the 55%. It means if you are communicating with someone, so how is your body language, how is your gesture, it also represent you, like how you are going to talk, how you are talking, how is your hand movements, everything matters a lot. So I hope you understand the definition. What is the definition of the importance of communication? Communication simply means you are transferring your message to another person. This is called communication. Okay, and there may be lots of channels through verbal communication, through written communication, through body language, or through emotions. Yes, through emotions you can also express your thoughts. You are communicating with someone. Like someone is on the door and he is knocking the door. I'm not going to tell anything. What is this? This is also one way of communication. It means I'm communicating with this person, but I'm not using my voice. I'm not using in written. Just I am using my head, my body language to just communicate with that person. So now I hope you got enough knowledge about the importance of communication. So let's see the importance of communication. Why this is important. So this is important for students, for working professionals, and for the startups people. most of the time we are using the communication in these fields. Like if I'm a working professional, I'm working in a company, so there maybe I have to communicate. My communication skill should be strong because I have to give interview. If I'm going to get the chance to meet the clients, so I have to represent myself, I have to represent the company, I have to represent the process, so everything I have to represent. So my communication should be strong. And working professional and students, yes, if someone is a student who is studying in a school or college or university, so the communication matters a lot because he is going to give an speech, so communication should be better. Okay. And politicians, yes, politicians, they are very important in communication because they have to give the speech for the people. They have to just persuade people to take action. So their communication also matters a lot. So lots of and bureaucrats, they are working in jobs, in private job or in any type of job. If someone is working, so their communication should be very strong. So now it's done for today, and every day I'm speaking one specific topic to just be better, to keep myself better. And if you are going to listen all these things and you are also going to practice by yourself, you are also going to get lots of benefits. So thanks for today. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.